I know that my web people love it when I bring you rainbows and kittens, positivity on top of a knowledge download, and that just creates happiness for everyone. But knowledge sometimes comes in a little bit of a negative form, and today we're going to be a little negative. I guess with this video called Why I'm Not Going to Take Your Case. I'll tell you one thing, I am not independently wealthy, okay? I've been doing this for 32 years. You guys know, anybody who knows anything about law, you guys know that criminal defense is not the path to riches, okay? It's just not. Don't let anybody tell you any different. Yeah, I understand that I'm an attorney. They can give me a loan for a Lamborghini and a big house. I mean, of course we can borrow our way into status all day long. But in general, criminal defense attorneys, we're not gonna be billionaires, ever. So the point in me saying, why am I going to turn down your case? When you've got the funds, and I'm in business to take funds, I'm in business to represent and help people who are in trouble. I'm in trouble, I wanna give you money, John, and yet you won't take my case. And you're right, I rejected this lady today, and I feel bad about it, and it's just prompting this video. So her husband has been in jail for over 3 months. He was arrested on his second violation of probation. It is a 15-year prison felony, and he has been kind of on the run on this VOP warrant for about 2 years. She's ready to hire me. I'm a business. I accept funds in exchange for helping people. You want my reputation, you want my expertise, you want me to set aside the time for you to do this violation, you want my time in exchange for helping out. I get all that, and I want to help. But folks, the reason I'm going to reject your case sometimes, like the example today, is because I'm looking at the docket on her husband's case. Now, he's gone through several violation of probation status hearings to the point where the court minutes are like, hey dude, no more continuances, no more pleas. We are set for a violation hearing 18 days from when I'm filming this, and I talked to her today. Now, here's the thing, folks. I'm looking at this violation, and I'm like, and here's a motion, and we need to depose this witness, et cetera, et cetera. We need to get our ducks in a row. I ain't gonna be able to do any of that in 18 days. I know this judge. I don't want to tell you who it is, but I'm telling you, they don't have time to get me in to have hearings between now and 18 days from the violation hearing. Not only that, but we want to provide value to you. You pay money, you get value in return. Look at my Google reviews, look at other attorneys' Google reviews. We provide value. We help you out of jams, and we save you lots of pain, suffering, money, etc., etc. And if you hire us too late, and this is the lesson today, no way am I getting into a trial, set for trial situation 18 days from now. It's not happening. You're not getting any value out of retaining me. I want to do certain things in your case. You haven't given me enough time to do those things. A second facet of this situation is their plea offer was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm telling them, dude, well, the wife, this is a pretty good plea offer. I know this judge. I'm looking at your score sheet. I'm looking at your violation. And I'm thinking, what do you want? 2 tickets to SeaWorld? It wasn't a bad deal. So I guess my point is to answer the question, why won't I take your case? It's not because I'm independently wealthy, folks. It's not because I don't want to help. It is because you are way too late to the party, way too late. You have got to get an attorney involved quickly. The reason isn't we need to get into this instantaneously, but we do need to work on your case. This case needs work, and I don't have the time to put in the work, and the judge won't even schedule these hearings by the time we have to go to trial. And therefore, my lesson to the rest of you who are hearing this, who want the knowledge on how to better use an attorney, the best use of an attorney is to give them as much time as you can give them so that we can work our magic, okay? That's my 2 cents for today.